Can a whiteboard animation boost your brand awareness? If you are considering using a whiteboard animation to take your business to another level, you may be having many questions bothering you. The truth is, a whiteboard animation, when used accordingly, has the potential to expand your business footprint at a much faster rate than traditional videos. But how can whiteboard animation help? In this video, we will explain everything you need to know about using whiteboard animations to increase brand awareness. Whiteboard animation is easy and profitable. Whiteboard animations are digital. You can create them anytime by simply playing around with some features and making the necessary changes until you are satisfied with the final product. A final product that will allow potential clients to notice you again and again. This is not the case if you decide to create a traditional video. To have a satisfying traditional video, you need several tools. In most cases, expensive equipment. You also need to nail down a script and edit your video several times to have a perfect copy. Not to mention that you still have to coordinate the schedules of your main actors. All this is time consuming and expensive as compared to the few minutes needed to create an engaging whiteboard animation. Easy to maintain consistency. One of the hardest things in brand awareness is maintaining brand consistency across multiple platforms. Luckily, whiteboards come in handy. They are easy to use and help keep the same look and feel in all the videos created. For example, you can have recurring messages, images, and characters appear on different videos to reinforce your brand recall across different platforms. They are eye-catching. Your ability to stop prospects' viewers from scrolling down and pay attention to your content should always be a top priority. To do this, you need to make sure the first 3 seconds of every whiteboard videos are very convincing. Additionally, you need to make sure your videos are interesting enough to lure target viewers to continue watching and hit the share button. Now, owing to the visual nature of whiteboard animations, they work well, especially for social media, where virtually all videos are viewed without audio. This automatically means you can count on them to capture the viewer's attention, get the message home, and boost organic reach without adding accompanying captions and audios. Excellent organic reach is A+ when you decide to use your whiteboard video in paid promotion on social media. Why? When more and more people watch and share your video at their own will, that automatically boosts your brand awareness. Now consider when you publish a well-tailored whiteboard animation. The results will be awesome, right? Wrapping up. A whiteboard video is a very powerful tool that you can use today to take your brand to another level. They are easy to create, cost-effective, and play a significant role in organic reach. Ready to order your first whiteboard video? Check out the link in the description.